Ever wished you had a snack that's healthy, satisfying, and tastes like dessert? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your own super healthy, energy packed bars that are chewy, nutty, and slightly sweet using natural sweetness and topped with rich dark chocolate. Trust me, once you try these, you will never buy a store bought energy bar again. These are perfect for a quick breakfast and snack. Addictive, but in the best way. So let's get started. So I'm starting by taking rolled or instant oats into a bowl. No need of roasting, they'll bake beautifully later. And I'm adding in unsweetened cocoa powder for the rich chocolatey flavor. This is already smelling good and we haven't started cooking yet. So I'm going to give this a nice mix. And now for the crunch, our nuts. So I'm roasting peanuts first until golden and fragrant. Peanuts are rich in protein and they have healthy fats. And they also add a nice crunch to the bar. So now I'm chopping them roughly. You can also blitz them in a chopper if you like, but I like to have bite-sized pieces. So I'm chopping them and then I'm going to add them into the bowl. Next, almonds. We are going to roast these till it turns aromatic. Roasting nuts unlocks the natural oils and makes your bars extra flavorful. And next, I'm going to also roast some cashews. So roasting these nuts makes your kitchen smell heavenly and brings out that deep nutty flavor in them. And a healthy fact, roasted nuts are easier to digest than raw ones. So you're not just making them tastier but also healthier. So once you're done chopping all these nuts, I'm going to add them to the plate and give it a nice mix with that oats and cocoa powder. Look at that mix of textures already. And time for some natural sweetness, that is the raisins. So they are chewy, rich in iron, and nature's candy packed with antioxidants. So now for the magic glue that holds everything together, ripe bananas. Mash the bananas till they are smooth and creamy. So these bananas, they add fiber, bring natural sweetness, and it's also rich in potassium. So add this to the dried mixture and combine. I'm also adding in honey, which is nature's energy booster, and it also helps in holding this mix together. And then I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon for the aroma. So mix this until everything is coated and sticky. At this stage, it already looks like chocolate granola, but wait till you see it baked. So transfer this mixture into a parchment lined tin and press it down firmly. This helps the bars hold their shape. So I'm going to bake this mixture in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So once you have nicely pressed it, bake it for 20 minutes. So once done, let it cool slightly And while it's cooling, let's get a chocolate topping ready. So here I'm chopping some good quality dark chocolate. This dark chocolate topping on the bars makes them irresistible for kids, and it's rich in antioxidants. So melt it till it's smooth and glossy. Look at that. I'm going to spread it evenly over the cooled base. So this dark chocolate satisfies that sweet tooth, and also it improves brain function. So basically, we are building a snack that your body and taste buds will thank you for. Look at that, smooth, glossy, irresistible. So pop the tray in fridge for the chocolate to set for 30 minutes, and then you can cut it into bars. I'm cutting it into long bars. You can cut it into any shape or size that you like. Look at that. Oats, nuts, raisins, bananas, and a perfect chocolate topping. These are chewy, crunchy, sweet, and healthy all at once. And there you go, your very own homemade peanut energy bars with chocolate topping, perfect for breakfast, snack, or even dessert. No refined sugar, no junk, just pure goodness. So if you love this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy and fun recipes every week, and share this video with your foodie friends.